and we have power. Look at that. Ah, it works. So just like that, we can use this to use it for a variety of different devices. This here is the Sungzu SKA1500-T, an all-new power station that is currently funding right now. Featuring a variety of different outputs from USB, DC, and AC, it even has unique inputs such as car charging, direct charging, as well as solar power charging. It features a smart screen giving you an exact readout about what exactly is happening, as well as a durable 3mm aluminum casing. In this episode here, we'll be unboxing it, trying it out, and seeing exactly what it's all about. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. What's up everybody, welcome back to an all new episode of KHanFLicks. Today we'll be looking at a portable power station by Sungzu. This here is the SKA1500-T, their latest model in terms of power stations, allowing you to go ahead and literally charge or use multiple devices wherever, whenever, at any time. Now, if you guys wanted your very own, be sure to check out their link down below in the description. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so this is what we get. So we have our power station. Mind you, this thing looks really cool. It definitely has a really futuristic feel to it. And that's just looking at it from the basics. Now you have a variety of different voltages. So you have an input of 36 volts with 6.7 amps. You can also use solar power. The DC outputs include a 5 volt, 9 volt, 12 volt. And that also includes USB-A, USB-C. And then you also have an AC output, which is a continuous output of 1500 watts. Peak value of 3000 watts. Charging battery life of 6,000 cycles. All right, so we do have a screen here on the front. Showcases if it's AC adapter or car adapter charging, an input power. Then we have a solar power panel charging, the AC frequency, the output power, the touch indicator, the Type-C output, USB output, and the battery percentage. So that's all going to be on this screen right over here, which we'll look at in just a little bit. All right, so before we go ahead and look into our power station, let's take a look at the accessories that it came with. Now, it does come with a bag. So this is actually a pretty heavy duty bag, housing the Sungzu logo, of course, and then you can go ahead and carry it about. Obviously, it is a heavy product, just keep that in mind. But again, you know, it's kind of nice that it does come with the bag to carry it about. All right, so we have 3 different ways of charging it. So you have the direct power outlet, that's like any kind of wall outlet. 2, you can charge it directly from a car, which is the car adapter. And then 3, you also get a solar panel. Now, it comes with 2 solar panels, and these things are actually pretty cool. So it does come with a handle. It's like almost like a briefcase, but you just go ahead and open it up. Look at this, how cool is that? So you get 2 of these guys, and they both combine, and then you do get a positive and negative, which they'll combine as well. And you just plug it directly into this port here, and you can charge it using sunlight. So this here is our power station. Now, I have to say, first off, it has a very nice, high quality look. So you do get this really heavy duty handle here, so it's like a metal handle. And then you have this almost futuristic feel. Now, with this said, it's made out of a rubber compound. So this is actually great in terms of durability, so in case it does fall, or you can go ahead and keep it on its side. It won't damage anything as it's almost a rubber made material. Now, as we kind of look at the front here, you do have a screen. This will kind of give us the feedback in terms of what's happening. So if we look at it together, this shows that the battery life of the power station is at 100%. And right now it's output of 0 watts. Obviously, once you plug something in, it'll go and adjust based off of that, which we'll try out in just a bit. And then you have a variety of different feedbacks as well. Now on the back here, it kind of shows you the outputs for AC out. So no better way of trying it out than actually putting it to the test. So let's see what this thing can do. All right, so I have ourselves a miniature arcade machine right here that we can try out. So we're gonna go and plug this in, pretend like we're outside right now. So just plug that in like this. Plug this into the AC out here on the back. Look at that, we have a green light. Sweet, look at that. So this is great. So right now we're using the power from our power station to directly make this particular device work. You can use it for other things as well, so let's keep this to the side and see what else we can plug in. So the next thing we'll use or plug in is our My Cobot. Haha, sweet. So right now we're using the power station to control our robot as well as this arcade machine. And literally it's handling it like a champ. Now this is great. So we can use it for a variety of different tasks, and we're not having to resolve onto using power from the house. You can do this outside, use it for a projector, use it for a variety of different things. It's actually a really great concept. So now what we'll do is we'll try to see if we can use the front inputs and see if we can do anything with that. All right, so for our next thing we'll do is we'll see if we can charge our Vector using the charging station by directly plugging it into the USB here on the front. And then what we'll do is we'll hit USB on. And now the USB terminal should be working. And we have power, look at that! Ah, it works! So just like that, we can use this to use it for a variety of different devices, from charging a robot here on the front using the USB ports, as well as controlling different devices from the back with the AC ports. And then of course you have the other variations of USB-Cs, as well as direct DC output too. So the cool thing about this is it gives you an output of what exactly is happening in real time. So at this point in time, if we look at the screen, it shows exactly how much of the output voltage we're having. So right now, in order for us to use it for all these devices, it's currently using 26 to 22 watts and kind of jumping back and forth. Now the battery is still at 100%, which is great. Well, other than that, kind of gives you an idea what this is about. And you can always go ahead and charge it outside by using the solar power. So you can charge it at the same time while you're using the products, which is really cool. Now with that said, if you guys had any questions, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.